Whenever you use a cream or a face moisturizer, that is not meant for your skin type. Your skin is bound to start purging. So when I mean purging, you start having pimples, series of breakouts, and you start having like irritated skin. Your skin start getting irritated. Yes. Why? Because it's not made for your skin type. And the worst of them all, or the most common one that usually happen, is what your skin starts getting darker. Hi family, welcome to another video today. So guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at what the best face creams for what oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin and combination skin. So if you belong to any of these categories, and for a while now you'll be thinking of the kind of face creams that you should use or get on your skin, because sometimes whenever I review body lotions or body oil, some people come to my DM, can I use this on my face? Okay, if I cannot use it on my face, which face creams should I use on my face? Do not go anywhere, okay? Stay tuned to the end. We're going to be listing it out in their various categories, okay? So before we dive straight into today's video, why should you actually moisturize your skin? Because some of you feel like, oh, my skin is oily, so it always feels very soft, or my skin is so dry, I don't think I really need to moisturize my face or give me any kind of greasy feeling. Fine. So right now I'm going to be telling you why moisturizing is important. It is so important to moisturize your skin. One, moisturizing actually makes your makeup last longer. That is why most times, if you notice, before they apply your foundation or your skin, or before they even start giving you they go on with the makeup, they always put a primer. And a primer is something that is moisturizing and hydrating. If primer actually helps to give you that hydrating and moisturizing feeling, why do you want to neglect your skin from moisturizing? Moisturizing your skin gives your skin that healthy and youthful glow. If you don't moisturize your skin, you start getting wrinkles, you start having wrinkles, and it just gives you this unhealthy look. Moisturizing your skin helps your skin retain water. It helps to do what? Ensure that your skin retains water. Moisturizing your skin helps to prevent dryness and irritation. If you find that you're actually having irritation in any part of your skin, the moment you just apply your moisturizer around that part, you just see that there is just this relief that comes with it. So having said all that, now what are the factors that you need to actually consider before you get a moisturizer for your skin? Before you start shopping for moisturizers for your face or your body, it is very essential that you understand your skin type. Kinds of skin type that we have oily and acne prone skin. So if you have an oily acne prone skin, the kind of moisturizers that you should be looking out or going in for is lighter moisturizers that are lightweight. While if you have a dry skin, you want to go in for moisturizers that have richer and a creamier consistency. The second thing too that you also want to look into is the budget. You want to work according to your budget, okay? How much is it going to cost you? And the third one is the ingredients. By knowing this, you'll be able to choose the perfect option for your skin type, okay? So with all that being said, now let's get into the creams and their categories that they fall into. If you have an oily prone skin or acne prone skin, whether you're a male or a female, one thing that you should actually make sure of is the cream that you're getting for an oily or acne prone skin must be lightweight and must not give you a greasy feeling. So the first cream right here on my list is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This brand is known to be very gentle and kind. They usually use the word kind on the skin. This product is supercharged with what's rich vitamin C formula. It gives you a stronger and a smoother skin. With niacinamide together with the pro vitamin B5 and vitamin E, this lightweight formula will not only help to do what hydrate your skin and give you that smooth moisture, it would also help to do what even out your skin tone. Moving on to the next, creams for dry skin. And these creams I'm mentioning is suitable for dark or a fair skin. If you have a dry skin and you want to get a moisturizer or a cream, you should always take note of the consistency, that it's giving you a creamy consistency. Don't see something that is lightweight, or else you're not going to see any results. For the first cream here on my list for a dry skin, because I'm going to be recommending two, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry Skin. This one is an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer that leaves your dry skin looking hydrated and moisturized all day long. It leaves your skin feeling moisturized and hydrated all day long, because this Neutrogena is infused with hyaluronic acid, and not only that, it also absorbs very quickly. Unlike some gel creams that you use, after using them, they do not really give you that moisturization and hydrating effect. But this one, when you use it on your face, when you use it on your skin, it has a lasting moisturizing power of a cream. So that is that about the Neutrogena. The second moisturizer on our list is Simple Kind to Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. I'll go again. Simple Kind to Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. Simple products are products that are kind. They are gentle on the skin. They actually suit so well for every skin type. Like, they have amazing products that are so good for all skin type, and to crown it all, it is very affordable to get. Okay, this moisturizer instantly does doubles your skin moisturization. It instantly doubles your skin's moisturization, and it works up to 24 hours, leaving your skin feeling soft, silky and nourished all day. So this Simple Kind to Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturizer is a moisturizer that if you have a dry skin and you come in contact with this moisturizer, you should not hesitate, you should not wait to get it. Okay, now we're moving to the sensitive skin part. Okay, for the first cream here for a sensitive skin is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream for a very dry skin. Using this cream is a perfect way to actually do restore and maintain a healthy skin. The moisturizer helps provide an intense hydration that relieves dryness and leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth and nourished. And it helps protect sensitive skin. If you usually have irritations, you're already having irritation, dryness too can also be a cause of irritation. You have a very dry skin, your skin is prone towards sensitivity, so you want to make sure that you are bombarding, permit me to use the word bombarding you want to make sure that you are bombarding your skin with rich moisturizers. It will not clog your pores or irritate your skin, but it's going to make sure that you get that hydration and moisturization that you need to have. The next cream for a sensitive skin is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream. This one is an advanced formula that combines deep hydration and moisture to help to repair the most severe cases of dry skin, cracked skin, rough skin, bumpy skin. It is so rich in replenishing oils. Oh my god, it is so rich in replenishing oils. In my previous video, I reviewed a video on luxury oils. I reviewed a video on body oils that gives you a luxurious effect. This cream also helps to restore the natural lipids in the skin. This moisturizer is a must-have for you if you have a very dry and a sensitive skin. Is something that you should not ignore to get. This particular cream here is for people that actually have severe dry skin, cracked skin and sensitive skin. Okay, so that is that about the creams for the dry sensitive skin. Now we are moving to the creams for combination skin. A combination skin can be very challenging to actually care for, as it requires hydration and oil control. Yet you want to hydrate your skin, and at the same time you want to make sure that you are controlling the oil on your skin, both not oily, not dry, not too oily. My family people, come come. A good moisturizer for a combination skin should provide moisture to dry areas and regulate oil production in the T-zone. So one very good moisturizer that suits so well for combination skin type is Corex. This Corex is a Korean skincare brand that offers a range of products that does what helps to address specific skincare concerns such as acne, dryness, sensitivity. So these Corex products are known for their minimalistic and effective formulations using natural and gentle ingredients. Corex has this creamy and a lightweight texture. This Corex moisturizer is the perfect moisturizer for a combination skin, as it helps in moisturizing your skin and also was controlling oil production around the T-zone. So guys, that is that about today's video. So these are the products here. These are the moisturizers on my list. They are quite affordable and they are easy to get. If you do not have an idea on where you can get them from, there's going to be links in my description box. Okay, those links are my affiliate links, so whenever you purchase or you buy any product from it, I get little commissions from it. It's just a way of saying thank you and keep making more research and sharing more reviews and experiences for us. Okay, that is that about today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, please smash the like button to say thank you. I found this video really helpful. And if you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to be part of this amazing family and share to friends. Trust me, sharing will actually mean that you actually love or care about someone. Yeah. Don't forget to check out our previous videos. I did a video on the best supplements for women. If you're a woman, you're struggling with hormonal imbalances and you do not know the product for you, I've got you. I've done a video on that. Okay. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.